Welcome to page 2 of Excel packet number 3. On this page, we're going to practice using the distributive property. On page 2, you're going to practice the distributive property. Remember, for each problem, you're going to draw a set of arrows. And keep in mind, as you distribute the 3, you're multiplying each and every time in this particular problem. In problem number 3, you're going to distribute as well. But in this case, you're going to distribute a 2, and you're going to double each term. Remember, when you have a variable that sits alone, like the y, please draw a 1 in front of that variable. That coefficient of 1 indicates that there's one y. And in the case of number 4, 1 w. And even in the case of number 8, we see a negative z. Add a 1 in between the negative and the z. It means a loss of 1 z. And in number 7, we can see that the m is the second term. It is a loss of 1m. So, in each and every case, you're going to distribute. Go ahead and draw your arrows, and when you're ready to work, pause the video. Complete each of the 8 problems. Then turn the video back on when you're ready to correct your work. You can check your answers against my answers. Please pause the video right now and complete the page. Let's check your work. For number 1, 12x minus 6. For number 2, give yourself a C if you have 6x plus 3. For number 3, 2y plus 6. For number 4, 4w minus 24. For number 5, negative 9y minus 12. For number 6, negative 18x plus 45. For number 7, 32 minus 4m, and for number 8, negative 6z minus 60. Give yourself a C and a score at the top of the page. If you got all of them right, give yourself 8 out of 8. If you missed one, give yourself a 7 out of 8, etc. Please write your score at the top of the page. This concludes page 2.